Hello everyone and welcome back to the series where we cover the IGCSE Enterprise Syllabus step by step. If you haven't already, make sure to watch parts 1 through 4 because today we are going to cover Unit 5, Negotiation. Before we begin, I'd like to start by saying that this topic may seem easy but comes as 10 and even 15 mark questions in the exam paper, so make sure to listen attentively. Fortunately, this is a very short unit, so let's get right into it. So what is a negotiation? A negotiation is basically when two or more parties sit down and have a discussion to try and reach an agreement. That agreement could be about solving a problem, deciding on a course of action, or even bargaining for a better outcome. The key idea is that everyone involved should feel satisfied with the final result. Now, when discussing negotiation, you may hear the word compromise. Compromise basically means that one or more party involved gives up something to reach an agreement. For example, a supplier wants to sell raw materials for $1,000, but the buyer only wants to pay $800. Instead of walking away, they both compromise and agree on $900. The supplier still makes a profit and the buyer saves some money. Both sides give up a little, but they both gain something too. That's a compromise. Now we'll discuss the stages in the negotiation process. The first stage is planning. This is done before the negotiation takes place. The second stage is actually conducting the negotiation, and the third stage is measuring success. This occurs once the negotiation is over. Now let's look at each one of these stages in a bit more depth. The first stage is the planning stage. In no specific order, planning can include 1. Setting objectives, which means defining clear goals and targets that the proposal aims to achieve. 2. Choosing evidences to use, basically selecting relevant and reliable data or information to support the proposal. 3. Benefits of a proposal, highlighting the positive outcomes or advantages the proposal brings to the stakeholders. 4. Weaknesses of a proposal, which is identifying potential drawbacks or challenges that may arise from the proposal. 5. Arguments and counter-arguments. This is basically planning ahead of time of possible arguments that may arise and finding the right responses to each. The second stage is conducting the negotiation. Conducting a negotiation involves setting the tone, which means establishing a positive, respectful atmosphere to encourage open communication. 2. Presenting your proposal. Clearly explain your ideas, goals, and the benefits of your proposal. 3. Understanding each other's point of view. Actively listening to the other party's perspective and concern. 4. Summarizing to check understanding. Recapping key points to ensure both parties fully understand each other's position. 5. Reaching agreement. Finding a mutually acceptable solution or compromise that satisfies both parties. The third stage is measuring success. So how do you measure success? True success is when both sides achieve something positive, which is known as a win-win situation. Ask yourself what went well. Identifying the positive outcomes, achievements, and effective strategies that contributed to the success can help in future negotiations. What can I improve next time? Because every negotiation is also a learning opportunity, reflecting on areas of growth, learning from challenges, and adjusting can lead to better results in future negotiations. Alright guys, that is the end of Unit 5. If you have any suggestions or questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comments below. And if this video helped, make sure to subscribe because currently 80% of my viewers are not subscribed. Anyways, I hope this video helped and thanks a lot for watching.